Got this from here. Okay. Yes, record it. Okay, no problem. Just share your screen. Then tell us what we'll be expecting from the market next week. Click on share screen. Your own screen that you'll be sharing. You will see like a green lines within your screen system to show you that it's already sharing before you can now start. Share camera. Click on share camera. Click on share camera. Uh-huh. Have you clicked on? Uh-huh. Then go to your this thing. Yeah, I'm just seeing you. Go to your trading view. Go to your trading view. Is your network disturbing? We cannot see your screen yet. We cannot see your screen. What's happening? We cannot see your screen. We are just seeing your face. You just go to once I've given you the access. I've made you the host. Click on share. Once you click on share, it's allowing multiple. I cannot share from here again because I've already made you the host. Oh yeah, try it. Try it. Let's see. Are you able? Hmm? Why is it difficult for you now? You don't see this. You don't see this on your screen. You don't see this. Of course. Yes, yes, you can see it now. You can see your screen now. You're welcome once again. You have to clean this. You start from the beginning for those that are I don't understand. You clean it, you start, you show us what you are doing, you explain. You start from the monthly. You start from the monthly. Tell us the view of the market, the structure of the market, monthly, weekly, daily, and you end it with 4 hours. You start from the monthly. That's how we analyze. Yeah. Now continue. Is there anybody that can? You can hear you. Continue. Arise, please, I have a question. Where is your high? Yes, where is your high? Did you mark out your high? The highest level, the current high of the market. Okay, yeah, that's what I expected you to continue. The support. your fib level, your fib level should be from the up to the down, because currently the market is retracing down from the monthly, so we are expecting a sell, not a buy. So I was expecting you to analyze the market as a downtrend, though the market is an uptrend generally, but for now what we are expecting from the market is a downtrend, selling opportunities, not buy. What happened? So go back to the chart, and your fib level is not really that. Calm down. Your fib level, bring your from where to where are you drawing the fib level, from which angle to which angle? Okay. Is this daily or 4 hours that you're using? Where did you end the analysis? Did you end the analysis on the daily or did you end it on the 4 hours? All right. Okay. No problem. Nice one. Nice one. Arize. At least you made an attempt. That's okay. Um, on share, let me share my screen so that we'll do the top down. That's okay. Um, I think we are going to come back because of the time spent because this thing will have 6 minutes. But let me just quickly summarize it. Right. So now what we are having here, based. Can you guys see my screen? Okay. Now based on the analysis, the market. This is our high. This is our high. This is our low from the monthly. We don't have anything to do from the monthly again. This is the our low and this is our high. Remember our confluences. Our confluences. We have key zones. We have psychological level. We have trend line. So this is our key zone. This is our two key zones, the high and the low. Then we'll come over here, watching, looking at the market. You tell me that okay, this market is dropping down. It's getting here, as our brother Reze said. But now we are looking for a selling opportunity. We want to sell it to here. So what are we looking at now? Where are we going to be selling this market from? That is our interest. We know vividly whether this when this market comes here, this market is going to push up, or because this is our low. This is where the buyers are. The buyers are here. This is support. This is our current support. So now what do? We are looking at to sell this market, because if you look at it from this angle to here, this will have about 1,700 pips. So we can't just waste this 1,700 pips and be patiently waiting when we know that the market is already heading to this place. But before it gets here, the market has to dance around. So what you are looking at is, where are we going to sell in this market? Which is the selling opportunity that you are looking at, right? So now we have seen that this market is trending down. It's trending down. I've not seen any much thing. We'll see another react. There is a double rejection here. Yes, the market will react there, but the major place we are expecting the market to react actively is at this level, 44,900. So what do? We move down to to our 4 hours, where we'll stop our analysis. Then I'm seeing a trend line. I'm seeing a trend line from this zone to here. I'm seeing a trend line here. I'm seeing a trend line, right? And if you watch closely, you see that this trend line also gets to this place, this high. It gets to this high, but this is the major 1, 2, 3 that the market, where the market touched before it now pushed down. So what are we looking at? Let's bring our fib level. Our fib level. First of all, looking at the daily, the fib level from here, from this up to this particular place where the market is currently, the market has already passed the 50 fib level and the 61 fib level. So we are expecting this market to drop to this place, to this 50 40 45 7 741. So now what are we going to be looking at? How are we going to, where are we going to be selling? That is the point. That is the question we should be asking. Where are we going to be selling? Now this is the previous high that the market created before it dropped. So now we'll still take our Fibonacci, drag it from the previous high to the where the market is currently, which is this place. Now looking at it now, we are expecting this market now to do this. Is either this market gets here to the 27%, retraced up to 50 to 61% fib level, then draw back to the 61%. With this trend line, I'm expecting this market to touch this trend line again, push down here, or get here and touch this 51, 50 and 61% fib level before it can now push down. Or most likely it will push down, but I don't think all this will happen next week. But at least I'm very, very sure that the market will get to 61% fib level at this point. Do we understand? Is that clear? Is that clear? Do we understand this? So we are not looking at the analysis is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. We are just looking at this market. Where are we going to be buying? Where are we going to be selling? We are not looking at anything buy for now, because before the market will get, it will take almost before this is around 2,000 something pips. So before you start waiting here, you might not trade for like 3 weeks, depending on the momentum of the market. And another thing is that we'll have news. We'll have news that we're going to put the market, that we're going to push the market. We'll have news on Wednesday and Thursday. We have CPI, we have FOMC, we have unemployment claims. So Wednesday and Thursday, we are expecting a very massive push Wednesday and Thursday. So what should you do as a trader? Now wait for the market to give you a retracement up to this 50% fib level. This is what you are looking at, up to this 50% fib level. Then we'll take it from there.